Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Cars Mania. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Ford F-Series, a lineup that continues to dominate the full-size truck segment with impressive updates across the board. Whether you're eyeing it for work, adventure, or daily driving, Ford has made sure this generation hits hard in all the right spots. Before watching the video, kindly like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 F-Series has taken bold to a new level. It still retains the rugged, muscular silhouette we all know and love, but now comes with sharper LED headlamps, a more aerodynamic grille design, and sleeker body lines that not only look aggressive but improve efficiency. Depending on the trim, you'll find some striking wheel designs, from 18-inch steelies on the base XL to 22-inch polished alloys on the top-tier Limited. Ford's also added new color options this year, including a stunning avalanche gray and a deep, rich blue ember. Inside, the F-Series feels more premium than ever. Step into the cabin and you're greeted with a massive 12-inch digital instrument cluster and an updated Sync 5 infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats, whether cloth in the XLT or leather in the Lariat and above, are well bolstered and surprisingly comfortable for long hauls. Storage is clever too, with a fold-flat work surface and lockable under-seat compartments. Higher trims even offer massaging front seats, a Bang & Olufsen sound system, and ambient lighting that gives the truck a luxury SUV vibe. Now let's talk performance. Ford continues to offer a versatile engine lineup, from the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 to the powerful 5.0-liter V8, and of course, the game-changing PowerBoost hybrid that offers impressive torque and fuel efficiency. There's also the new 3.5L high-output V6 reserved for the Raptor, which makes this beast a serious off-roader. Towing. You're looking at up to 14,000 pounds when properly equipped, and payload capacity peaks just over 3,300 pounds. Ride quality is solid across trims, and the addition of available adaptive suspension smooths out the bumps nicely. As for pricing, the 2025 F-Series starts around $38,000 for the XL and can reach up to $90,000 for a fully loaded Limited or Raptor model. It's not cheap, but Ford makes sure you're getting your money's worth at every level. So, is the 2025 Ford F-Series still king of the road? With its smart tech, bold styling, and serious muscle, it just might be. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews. See you in the next video.